Around 18 plus years of IT experience, progressing from developers to project manager, solution architect, and now working as a technology lead. Uh, I'm pretty active in tech community through my technical blogs, and you already aware that I'm currently working with Horizontal Digital USA. In case any of you have any question, feel free to reach out to me through any of these channels like Slack, LinkedIn, Twitter X, and you can also find my repositories on GitHub and code snippets on Gist. Okay, let me move on the topic today. Uh, in today's session, we'll discuss about key areas of Sitecore Stream. So first, we'll start with the introduction, very brief introduction of Sitecore Stream. Then next, we'll explore Sitecore Stream's key feature at a very high level. Then we'll discuss on role-based uh, access management and collaboration. After that, we'll cover working with BrandKit. Following that, we'll dive into organizing brand assets within BrandKit. Then we'll explore how to review and refine BrandKit, where continuous improvements uh, takes place. Then we'll cover accessing brand standard guidelines, where consistency become the most important part. After that, we'll discuss about project management with Sitecore Stream. And then uh, next. I mean, what is next in terms of Sitecore Stream? Uh, you might be aware of with Sitecore Symposium, there was a buzzword. So we'll talk about the feature expansion of Sitecore Stream and how it will cover the Sitecore suite of products. And finally, the big thank to everyone. Okay, so let's get started. So very first thing from our agenda is an overview of Sitecore Stream. So basically, Sitecore Stream is built for marketing teams. Uh, so underneath, it is not for developers. It is basically implemented or developed or built for marketing team. It helps teams to create and deliver content more intelligently, efficiently, and at scale. The platform simplifies campaigns development, personalization, and rapid development across channel. The platform improves how marketing team can create, manage, optimize while maintaining the consistent brand messaging. From a technical perspective, it functions as a AI-powered layer. Uh, these AI capabilities are integrated across Sitecore Suite that I mentioned earlier uh, to deliver brand-aware AI copilot, and agents and agentic workflows that simplify marketing processes and improve collaboration. Let's examine some of Sitecore Stream's key features. The very first thing is the comprehensive brand management with Brand Kit. The Brand Kit is a key term in Sitecore Stream. Brand Kit helps create customized brand strategies by organizing brand assets, enabling teams to align content across campaigns and market segments. So we'll discuss about how it can impact uh, content creation strategies and how well it can be managed under Sitecore Stream. Second is contextual content creation. Marketers can interact with the platform by asking simple questions or requesting specific output. For an example, marketers can start on brand content draft, campaign ideas, or personalized experience at any stage of content creation process. So through assistance, marketers can ask any question, and according to the brand kit, the assistants responds you back that what should be the language, what should be the tone of the campaign, and it can help a lot to manage the entire campaign through project management tool. And the third one is the structured project oversight that I just discussed. Uh, and that terminology is getting changed while I prepared this presentation. The terminology was different, and now every day, as we are living in this as world, every day terminologies are getting changed. Now, instead of calling it project inside Stream, it is calling it as campaign. So I didn't get a chance to update all those keywords entire covering in the presentation, but whenever I'm saying project management, we can think of the campaign management. So that is again a very structured way of managing the campaigns, and we can see how the deliverables can be created, how task and subtask can be created with the help of AI into this domain. Uh, in the previous slide, we discussed a stream feature. Now let's look at the business values these features deliver. Let's explore the business benefit that makes Sitecore Stream a game changer for any of the organization. So Sitecore Stream delivers several key advantages that will transform how you operate. The first thing is the centralized brand management. Second thing is optimized project workflow or campaign workflow. And then third one is intelligent content assistant. Here, each benefit impact the business, starting with the centralized brand management. That is your brand command center. Brand kit consolidate all branding assets in one place, ensuring consistent messaging across campaigns while allowing market-specific customization. So it's like having your entire brand universe organized and accessible at your fingertip. Uh, Moving on the optimized project workflow, or I would say campaign workflow, this delivers structured task management and seamless team collaboration. It keep all deliverables aligned with your marketing goals and executed with the lightning speed. So we'll also see at the end of the presentation, we'll see that how it looks like in Sitecore Stream platform itself. And finally, intelligent content assistance that I talked about. This is where AI meet brand management. The integrated assistant provide real-time access to brand guidelines, helping team collaborate more effectively and dramatically reduce error in marketing material through on-the-spot support that always available. So in brand kit, you can define that what should be the tone, what keyword we should avoid, while creating the campaign. So all these things can be managed within the brand kit itself, and then assistants can look into those brand kits rules and regulations and languages, tones, and accordingly it can respond you back. So it ensures that consistency in communication and collaboration across the channels. Uh, So building on platform benefits, we just explored, Sitecore Stream also provide robust access control and collaborations uh, feature that enhance teamwork. First, clearly defined user roles and access control, where security meets efficiency, like Sitecore Stream enables secure and efficient operations by accessing role-specific access tailored to each team member. So we'll see how this plays an important role, like when user logs into the platform itself, user will see their own dashboard where everything is at the fingertip of the current user, like what are the assigned tasks, what is the progress of those assigned tasks to him, and what is the next task maybe. So everything can be managed through the platform itself. Second is seamless communication and collaboration in context of current user that we just talked about. And finally, efficient project management or campaign management that we already discussed. Now, let's quickly dive into the exciting part where we'll explore how to configure the brand kit in the platform and discover how to manage it very seamlessly. So, brand kit management in Sitecore Stream operates in two levels at a very high level. So, the first is the user-friendly setup process, like Sitecore Stream rules uh, can be defined using the platforms, and basically it's run as a dedicated application. So when you log into the Sitecore Cloud portal, uh, you can see its dedicated app. So by default, organizational admin and owners have immediate access, enabling them to configure settings and monitoring users. The platform provide an intuitive interface that makes create and manage brand kit effortlessly. So we'll see how it looks like when we log into the portal. And the second one is the comprehensive customization options. So users can fine tune every brand element from visual assets to managing tones, ensuring every piece of content reflect the company's identity and uh, support your brand at the very broader marketing strategy. So we'll also see how all looks like onto the platform. So when you log into the Sitecore Cloud portal, you'll see the Stream application in the app section. Point to be noted here is it only appears if your organization has an active subscription to Sitecore Stream. If your organization or client has not acquired a Sitecore Stream, the application won't be visible and you won't be able to access all its feature. So this is how the Stream application looks like in the cloud portal. Let's assume we have access to Sitecore Stream and it can be launched through cloud portal. But the next question is how can we upload and organize brand assets while streamlining our asset management process? The answer is very simple. Sitecore Stream provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies asset management. Uh, it makes it makes uploading and categorizing brand assets straightforward, delivering quick access, efficient organization, and smooth collaboration, all while maintaining brand consistency across marketing channels. So let's see how this can be done. So once you see the Sitecore Stream application in the app section, when you launch it, this is the platform. This is the Sitecore Stream platform where you can see all those menu items at the top. So first we'll explore brand kit. So as I mentioned, Sitecore Stream multi-brand capability is where it gets exciting. It enable organization to manage different brands within a single unified environment. Each brand kit act as a structured repository, a housing brand guidelines, assets, messaging principles, and serves as a uh, north star of content creation and maintaining consistency across all the touch points. So here, if you can see in the screenshot, we have the brand kit, and I have already uploaded a brand kit name horizontal. S- So this gives the list of all brand kits in this screen. And if you want to create a new brand kit, you can simply click on that create brand kit, and it allows us to upload any brand kit document any organization can have. And once it is uploaded, we have a full control over it. Now let's move to our next focus area, like reviewing and refining brand kit. content, like right after uploading the brand kit, what are the options we have. So this process consists of two components that work together to strengthen the brand presence. First is the critical evaluation process. Uh, think of it as a brand's regular health check. It seamlessly examine your brand kit to catch inconsistency and ensure everything stays aligned with the organization identity. And the second thing is the collaborative feedback integration. Uh, that actually ensure that we create more robust feedback loop that signifies improved and accuracy uh, in terms of brand messaging. Um Accessing brand standard and guidelines. So these are the standards, like we can see that centralized resource accessibility, real-time brand alignment, and dynamic update with the governance. So these are few guidelines that Sitecore Stream offers. But let's see, like how we can manage everything regarding brand kit. So as I mentioned, once you upload the brand kit, you should see uh, this kind of dashboard where you can see every section of brand kit. Like each brand kit let you review and fine tune the element that define your brand, like global goals, brand context, do's and don'ts, tone of voice, checklist, grammar guidelines, visual guidelines, and image style. This toolkit is available for every brand kit you create. In this example shown, the currently selected brand kit is horizontal. You can see how each element is organized and ready for your team to use. So once brand kit is uploaded, it automatically uh, extract the information and give a nice looking section for the operations that we can perform on. So these sections plays a different role and we can manage it differently while just hitting on those sections. Now let's explore project management, or I would say campaign management, and how Sidecore Stream helps structure project activities and deliverables, which is the feature set. Sidecore Stream transform project organization and streamline the process, delivering clarity and alignment of every stage of the project. So under project management, Sitecore Stream provides several capabilities like enhanced project framework, customizable deliverables, and efficient task dependency management. Here is how each feature improves project management, like starting with the enhanced project framework, which is focuses the team effort, ensuring everyone is aligned with the specific marketing objective. Think of it as project GPS, like keep everyone on the track towards success. Second thing is customizable deliverables. So team can craft deliverable that match the unique demand of each project, ensuring every component gets the attention and resource it needs. So at first level, we have project. Under project, we may have deliverables, and after that we will finally have the efficient task dependency, where the organization, like where the project manager or organization can go a little more deeper into each deliverables and can task uh, or subtask the entire deliverable. So it is similar like in Jira, where we are creating the project. Under project, we are creating stories, and under stories, we are creating subtasks. So in similar way, we can think of campaign management in Sidecore Stream, like project. We just first at very root level, we can create a new campaign or new project. Under each campaign, we can define various deliverables at every stage, and under each deliverables we can create a task dedicated for those deliverables, and those tasks can be assigned to an individual user. So how it looks like projects have their own dedicated section inside the stream and appears as the second item in the platform dashboard. Now, when we go into the demo section, we will not get project. Instead, project we will see the campaign. So these are keep on changing as I mentioned earlier. So here you can see the list of already created projects or campaigns. You can also create a new project by hitting the create project button or create campaign at the top. I hope you all are still with me, right? Everything is going good?
Yes.
Okay. So once we are into the project, like after creation of any of the project, what is the next step? So here are some project management features and features that the Sitecore Stream provides, like improved task visibility, integrated communication channel, and flexible workflow management. So these are the things that we covered into each project or campaign. So here we can achieve those features like once you are into the campaign or project. If you can see here, it is AG demo. That is the campaign created by me long ago when I started exploring Sitecore Stream, and I created few deliverables. So if you can see here, under this project, we have some deliverables like kickoff, and under this deliverable, I have few of the subtasks. This is how we can maintain or manage uh, project deliverable subtask. And once those subtasks are assigned to a particular user, when that user logs into the platform at the dashboard level, they'll see what are the tasks assigned to them. So we'll cover that as well during our demo section. Now, another thing is here, if you can see, we have various views of this. Like the first thing is the list, but another one is the Kanban board, where all tasks are displayed in the Kanban board. Then we have the timelines. It will give you each task aligned with the timelines and what is the progress as per the timeline. Then we have funnel and some attachments as well. So we have various views here. Uh, what next? Like how should we envision the future of Sidecar Stream and what development can we expect in upcoming months? So here, what I can tell you. Sidecore is not just keeping pace with digital experience innovation, they are leading it. The company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with their intelligent digital experience platform strategy. With Sidecore Stream, they are integrating cutting edge AI driven capability directly into their product ecosystem, giving business to power to create highly personalized, data driven, and dynamic digital experience that resonate with their audience. So it's already available in XP and XM Cloud today. Like we can directly use Sidecore Stream in XP and even in XM Cloud, and will be available on other platforms as well. Uh, if you heard about a buzzword in Sidecore Symposium this year, uh, you'll get to know that how quickly Sidecore is moving into that direction. And that buzzword was Sidecore AI. So that is actually a AI-driven experience platform that unifies content management, customer data, and personalization to help brand plan, create, deliver more connected and personalized digital experiences. We'll hear more about Sidecore AI in future upcoming days, but you should tune to get more updates from Sidecore on Sidecore AI. It's a latest thing that we'll get, and as I mentioned, the Sidecore is just a subpart or subset of Sidecore AI. And if you can see here, Sitecore Stream, but you can see the Sitecore AI here that covers the entire Sitecore product suite. So Sitecore AI would be available to all of these like XM Cloud, uh, within the search, Sitecore search. We'll see that integration in Content Hub. So slowly and gradually, that AI capabilities will be available across all these products so very soon. Okay, that is all about today's session. We'll have question after that, question session for sure after that, but let's quickly go through the demo part so that at least whoever is not having access to a Sitecore Stream platform will be able to see that how it looks like. So let me log into the cloud portal. Okay, here it is. I hope you can see it. Uh, so when you log into the cloud portal, you should be able to see that Stream application here. You can see the logo and Stream application. And as I mentioned, you might not be able to see it if your organization is not acquired subscription of Sitecore Stream. But uh, if it is already acquired, you should be able to see this app in the cloud portal itself. And when it is available, you can simply just click on it and you will see whatever we discussed so far. So under Stream, you can see that we discussed about projects or campaign. We discussed about assistant, where it's a chat kind of window platform where we can ask questions and then assistant can respond you back with the context of selected brand kit. And the third part is the brand kit itself. So you can directly jump on these sections of the application, but if you want to jump on directly the dashboard of Sitecore Stream, you just simply click on it. How it look like when you click on that, you should be able to see this kind of screen. Um, so as I mentioned, it is purely user contextual. So if you can see here, when I log into Sitecore Stream, I am on my day dashboard where I can see what are the tasks assigned to me, how those tasks are progressing, how deadline management is look like, what are the risk assessment, and how many projects currently I'm working on. So this is the dashboard that individual user will get when they log into the platform. Uh, then we discussed about campaign management and project management. Here, if you can see, the second tab is the campaign. Earlier it was project, but now it is changed to campaign. And these are the projects we discussed about. So this is my current project. I created this project, and under this project, if you can see, these are the deliverables. So this is the first deliverable. This is the second deliverable. This is the third one. So these are the deliverables. And under each deliverable, we have these subtasks assigned to us, or subtask that we can create. And how Sitecore Stream helps here. So uh, if you can see this icon, it says that suggest task. Because I am now under the deliverable. Under deliverable, we can create a task. So in parallel with these existing tasks, we can create a new task and we can ask Sitecore Stream or AI to suggest few of the tasks inside it. So let's see like how it looks like. If I click on it, the Sitecore AI run into the picture and it'll bring uh, whatever the subtasks that it can assign, or I mean, that could be more contextual to the deliverables that we have. So if you can see here, it suggests a couple of subtasks that might be contextual, and it allows us to select which one we want to keep. If we want to keep, we can simply save it. If we don't want to keep, like it seems like these last two are not required for this deliverables, or maybe it is not in context, then we can simply cancel individual. Or if we don't want to select any of the task, we can simply cancel all. So this is the AI capabilities that we can get. So on the basis of context or on the basis of deliverable, it can suggest a subtask. And at one level up, we can also get some suggested deliverables as well. So here is task. Where should we see some? I think that is also getting changed. Maybe I should be able to see and should be able to create new campaigns as well. Not sure why I'm not able to see it. So this is the Kanban board I discussed about during the presentation itself. So the list we already discussed. This is the Kanban board. We have the timelines and the final funnel. Oh, here we go. I missed it. So these are the deliverables. Like we have the add button at the bottom where we can add those deliverables manually. But if you want to ask AI to suggest us the deliverables, the same process that we need to follow, we simply uh, click on that button and it'll ask us what kind of deliverables it is, and accordingly it will suggest the deliverable. So that is the benefit of project management or campaign management uh, feature of Sitecore Stream. Next one is the assistant that I already discussed, where it is nice looking chat bot kind of interface where we can ask question and accordingly it can give you the response on the basis of brand kit that we have selected. So here the list of all brand kit. Remember we discussed about brand kit named horizontal. So this is the brand kit that was already created. And when I ask a question to the chat bot or chat window here, it will traverse through each and every rule mentioned in brand kit horizontal and give you the response back. It also has the history tab, like what I asked earlier to this chat window, and I can select it and you'll get the response back. So lastly, I asked this chat window that or what should be the font name and its size that can be used while creating a new HTML page. So this is simple question I asked, and it went through the entire documentation, brand kit documentation, and extract the information that I need. So if you can see here, it gives the result, like what should be the color code, what would be the RGB value of it, and other relevant information. And that is all contextual to the currently selected brand kit. Uh, then we'll go into the brand kit here. Uh, So once we are into the brand kit, we saw some sections, right? So if you go inside it, not this one, right? Yeah. So for each brand kit, we are already inside the brand kit. It will give you sections like once brand kit is uploaded, what can be further enhanced into the provided brand kit. So we discussed about these sections. We can go into individual sections and we can add terminologies, related terminologies, so that we can define some rule set when somebody interact with the brand kit. And even we can enrich from knowledge, like whatever the brand kit that we have uploaded, we can hit this button and it'll go through and extract that information again from the uploaded document. So this is all about the brand kit. Now, this is all about Sitecore Stream. Very lastly, I would like to show you how Sitecore Stream can be integrated into XM Cloud or maybe later on XP, because Sitecore brand Stream package is also available for DXP platform as well. Like if you are using on Sitecore XP and if you're not on XM Cloud, still you can make use of Sitecore Stream AI capabilities by downloading the Sitecore Stream package and install it on Sitecore XP instance. But let's see how it looks like in XM Cloud. So suppose we are into the XM Cloud, and let me go to the page builder of any of the project. I'll briefly showcase how we can leverage Sitecore Stream in content population or content creation. Come on. It always happens during demo. Okay, so Sitecore Stream, out of the box, it supports all text uh, related fields. So like single line field, multi-line or rich text, all these fields are very well supported by Sitecore Stream. So let's see how it looks like. So I am right now into one rich text field here. And if you can see here where it gives the title, it is a very nice looking one icon here displayed. And when you click on it, it will give you these options. These are coming from Sitecore Stream. And these content populations can be done through within the page builder panel itself. So if you can see that, you can ask anything. Then you can even improve writing. You can fix spelling and grammar. If you have some bigger sentence, you can make it larger. Like the practical example, let's see with this. We have here, and we are asking uh, Sitecore Stream to make this longer. Let's see how it works. See, now one single line converted into multiple 3 lines. You can just go through it. If you like it, you can keep it. If you don't, you can just revert it back to original. So that is the capability of Sitecore Stream here. We can even make it shorter. We can summarize it, change tone, and even we can perform the translation as well. Uh, so if your XM Cloud project need to be delivered in multilingual, those languages needs to be integrated first into XM Cloud. And once it is integrated, those languages will be displayed here. And you can simply convert any language to any available language as well. So this is all about Sitecore Stream so far here. And another thing is Sitecore AI, which will be a superset of it, and maybe it will cover the entire ecosystem. Currently, we are seeing that Sitecore Stream integration in XM Cloud, but under Sitecore AI platform, that capability will be available in Sitecore Search and Content Hub and all those Sitecore product suite as well. That is it from my side. Do we have any question? Feel free to ask. Otherwise, feel free to reach out to me on any of the channel that I mentioned. Okay.
Sure. So there are a couple of questions in the chat.
Yeah,
So one, yeah. Do you want me to narrate one of the like to start with?
sure. Or if I can see, let's check.
Yeah. If you stop sharing, then it will be easier for you.
Yeah, let me do that. Okay. Our stream support campaigns as campaigns are generally managed and triggered by CDP and not by XM Cloud. No, campaigns even not triggered. I mean, it is campaign can be triggered by any of the platform, right? So it is the campaign, not campaign triggering, but campaign management, where uh, you can create a new campaign. You can add deliverables that are needed to support the campaign, and those deliverables further can be splitted into multiple subtasks so that individual team members can be assigned to those deliverables. So the campaign triggering is completely different. We are talking about the campaign triggering that we are doing in automated way, like we can use Facebook platform to trigger the campaign. And then campaign management is like online campaign management. This product is not limited to online campaign management. It is offline campaign management as well, where you want to uh, you want to use the print media. You want to make sure that your language is aligned with the brand kit that we are mentioning here. So we can generate the content on the basis of brand kit that we are uploading to the system, and it'll give you the response back considering that brand kit. So few keywords we are saying in the Sitecore Stream platform, we are assigning the rule that for an example, I always give that example. Sometimes some organization wants to call client as customer and not client, but some organization call customers as client and not customer. So that rule set we can define in Sitecore Stream. And when we ask Sitecore Assistant or Stream Assistant that give me a nice paragraph to trigger or to maintain the campaign covering so and so things. And when you get the response back, it will avoid those keywords that we mentioned. So in brand kit, we are saying that never use customer, always use client. Then the response that you will get will not have a client. It will always have the customer in the response. So you are talking about the online campaign triggering. I'm talking about the campaign management or project management. I hope it clarifies. Then we have project timeline is confusing team in stream as for different persona. It means is different. For example, for PM, it's a overall project including all integrations. For site code developers, it's entire site code development and deployment. The content author. So here, I mean, again, like we are mixing multiple things here. Here in Sitecore Stream, as I mentioned, with when we are starting the presentation, that tool is mainly for for marketers. So the project management is not the actual project management that we as a developer, we as a project delivery team uh, used to have. It is the campaign management or project management from marketers' point of view, where they can manage their task, their deliverables, their project in efficient way. However, nobody is stopping us to use this tool for our development as well. But accordingly, we need to create those tasks or deliverables. We can even have like our technical project delivery can also be managed through Sitecore Stream project management tool, where we can have all those stories mentioned in the project management tool, and we can create a subtask that we discussed about. But yeah, it's not up to that level where we can manage it in Jira. But I think the use case is completely different. Jira is for all kind of project management, where this Sitecore Stream is, from my understanding, it is more for the uh, uh, your content creation team, or uh, mainly from campaign team or marketers team that mostly use that product tool. Uh, And is Sitecore Stream for marketers or is for the developer? So it was built for marketers. Developers, we have very less thing to do here. What will do developers? Like marketers, whatever we discussed here, like creating a project, talking to an assistant, or adding or uploading brand kit, all things can be maintained by marketers itself. So majorly I would say that it is for marketers. For developers, we can use it like if somebody wants to use this Sitecore Stream in their Sitecore XP platform, then I mentioned that we just need to download the package and install that package into Sitecore XP and make some necessary configuration changes. That would be a part of the development team. But apart from it, I don't think that is something for the developers. Everything like the content translation we discussed about, content creation we discussed about, all features are considering the marketers into the mind or into the picture. Which communication channel are supported by Stream? Communication channel, I'm not getting the question. Surrender, can you just clarify that question again? Which communication channels are supported by Stream? Next is why to use Stream when we have Sitecore AI. Sitecore AI just launched, and uh, Sitecore, I would say that Sitecore Stream is subset of Sitecore AI. Sitecore AI is, I would say, umbrella covering all those uh, product suite. Uh, but the idea came from Sitecore Stream. So maybe I'm not very sure that what would be the Sitecore Stream future. Maybe uh, everything will be covered by Sitecore AI, but Sitecore AI is not uh, very clear for now because it is still new, and we never know that what are the features that will be provided by Sitecore AI. But Sitecore Stream, we know that okay, project management is there, campaign management is there, Sitecore Assistant is there, and brand kit is still there. So you still need to upload the brand kit to give the AI the context that I'm talking about, or your response should be limited to a brand kit that I'm providing to you. Yeah, that is correct question, and it might be confusing, but as I said, it is Sitecore AI is new. We may know more in upcoming months. What would be best way to trigger and launch multilingual campaign while keeping brand consistency, and how it is managed? Could you please share your experience? Trigger multilingual campaign. You mean the campaign that we or marketers wants to maintain or create a campaign
So,
in different language?
yeah, Arvind. So this is Praveen here. So I will give
Hmm.
you the example here, right? I mean, we
Hmm.
were building a kind of a website for, you can say, a Dubai customer, and you
Hmm.
know that one. I mean, we required their Arabic language support and
Yeah.
English also, right?
Hmm.
So what happened there? I mean, when we were creating the campaign or something, so we need to create the campaign in both the way, right? For English, so we were having a facility to select the language. Initially, it gets open into the Arabic language, but then we were having a kind of opportunity or facility to change the language. So according to that, everything will get it translated or changed, right? So now
Yeah.
when we are talking about the stream, right, site code stream or something, so if we wanted to build a kind of a such campaign for English language and Arabic language, right? So I mean, do we need to do something different there, or is it the same way what exactly we build the multilingual site? I mean, if you have any kind of experience or your
Okay.
inputs.
So yeah, let me clarify two things.
Mhm.
When you say campaign, you mean the actual marketer's campaign, or you're talking about the language or the content language that we are creating in XM Cloud or Sitecore content tree.
So in a way, it's a both the way. Sometimes we trigger a campaign by using
Okay.
the email, or you can
Yeah.
say the other way also, other channels also, and via
Mhm.
websites also. The both the way. And
Yeah.
as
So
good, I mean, good you had touched this point, right? And
mm,
we also need to lay what exactly we have discussed right now. It is mostly with respect to the different channels, or how if you can put some inputs on.
right.
Yeah.
So in my demo, I already mentioned that how the content can be translated with
Mhm.
multiple language. I hope that is clear, right? So we can
Yeah,
translate
that
any
is clear.
content.
Yeah.
So the content creation in different languages is very clear. But regarding the campaign management that marketers can use, that I'm
Mhm.
not very sure that how you can create the media or the print media content in Arabic. Like I would say that it is again the content creation itself. If you have the content in Sitecore XP or XM, that can
Mhm.
be translated using Sitecore Stream, and that content can be used in print media. In that way, we can think of. But from that campaign management from Sitecore Stream platform itself, I don't find
Mhm.
to create a different language campaign itself. I
Okay.
know maybe we can just think of like uploading the brand kit in
Brand
different
kit, yeah. Got
language,
it. Right.
and then we can. I mean, I'm not pretty sure that it will give you the proper response, but in the assistant, you can simply mention that I would like this campaign to be created in Arabic language considering this brand kit. So brand kit
Okay.
is already we are selecting like if I can show you again while we
Mhm.
are while we are talking to the the assistant, we are always selecting the brand kit first. So
Your
yeah,
screen is not shared, Arvind. Yeah.
yeah, you can see it now.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah. So here, this is the assistant. Here, when we are asking anything, we are selecting the brand kit. If we are going to the assistant itself, here also we can select the brand kit. So whenever we are asking to produce the content or to generate the content, we are always selecting the brand kit. So we can upload the brand kit and we can ask assistant to give the response in specific language. Maybe it
Okay,
will
I got
give
you.
you the
I
result.
got you.
Yeah.
So you mean to say like that we can create a two sets of brand kit here. One is for English language, one is for Arabic. And while triggering based on the request, right, they
Yeah.
can select that specific brand kit and display
Yeah.
that specific information at the front end layer. Yeah, or you
Correct.
can say the
Yeah.
various channels. Yeah, got it. Thanks. Thanks for the
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah. Okay. What else we have? From
There is the
when? Yeah.
go ahead.
Okay. From when can we see the usage detail of Sitecore Stream? Is there any limit to call stream calls? Uh, Limit? I'm not very much aware. I hope your question is regarding the APIs that we can, if we want to integrate Sitecore Stream in any of the custom application, then we need to use Sitecore Stream API. And your question is there any limit to call these Stream APIs? Rate limit would certainly be there. Uh, each API will have the rate limit. So that will be for sure, but it also depends on the subscription, like what level of subscription you have. Certainly, it will have some kind of limitations, but I'm not pretty sure on those limitation yet. I didn't get that anywhere in the Sitecore documentation, but maybe yeah, for sure. Whenever we are calling APIs, rate limit would be there, and it is a SaaS-based product, so for sure there'll be some limitation basis on the subscription that we have. But the that limit will not be applicable when we are talking about integration of XM Cloud, like we discussed about this integration, right? Content population here. So here there won't be any limitation. Like you can generate as many content as you want using this page builder and the AI assistance, because both are Sitecore product. There should not be any kind of limitation here. Okay, that is it. I think, yep, all are great questions. And if you have any further questions, please share it with me. I'll try my best to get that answer. I might not have 100% accurate answer, but I